SW. Come now. RT bro. Yo, they're doing this bullshit thing again, breaking the gate and shit. Yo, food only. Step up a bit. Ditang, bin front.
Tito Blab, pinche LFM. Want me to move now?
Check mo nga sino yan.
Checking na ako, pre.
I think they won't come, Vera.
CCTV.
Vera, I need help now.
Be careful over the wall, ah.
This is the only place we can fight, CCTV sa LFM now.
They're also bonking your southeast.
Who?
Invade, southeast.
Just ditang. Watch them.
Ditang lang.
Gate break.
Gate break. Ay. Come here. Come
They mounted again. Iikot na naman tong mga to.
Yeah, I know. That's what they do. Come SW. Oy, paano nga ako, men? Party 2. Diyan kayo sa second floor east ko. Huwag silang pabonk, men. Gamitan nyo naman ng utak, boy.
Dito na. Punish here.
Saan, boy?
Dito.
Pinupull niya yung guard.
Copy. Tara, walk with me. Where are you?
He went southwest again.
Oh,
Maganda
boy.
pinti
Come
dito ko
fast,
lang,
oh.
oh.
Yeah. They're slowly breaking the gates like what they did before. The bullshit. Saan sila, pre? Pa-live ako, pa-live lang, pre.
Scout ka.
Live ping lang. Sige lang, live ping lang. Yo, watch west side also, everyone. Nasa west na, hindi nyo sinasabi. Gago ba kayo?
Ano ka? Flashmere.
West
Set up. Pwede di ka nagpa-set up.
Ako natakot kayo, man. Mag-open mic na
Wait,
kayo.
Flashmere.
Mounting again. Mounting.
Step up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step up. Come back.
Dismount.
Come back. Magsalita nga kayo, tangin ng mga to eh. Hindi nagsasabi.
Kaya sana nung Flashmere, pogi ka na sana kung nag-set up.
Hindi na rin sila sa...
Pawatch ako nung east, man. May mic, may bibig.
We are watching.
Yo, I need set up. Flashmere pa set up ako in my count.
Don't
Ready?
go too far, ah.
Set up. Labas na, Flashmere.
Southeast,
Click mo. Sige, set up. 3, 2, 1. No, sa akin. Come back.
Dito si Punish siya sa'yo. Puro brawlers kasama niya. They're
Okay.
falling back. They're south.
Oy, Dev
Yellow
front.
ping. Tatlo lang yun. Tatlong ditang laki na sa isa. Wala kami
Okay,
dito.
copy.
Pagsiyanin dito. You have siege bro here.
Vera, where are you?
Engineer, be careful, engineer.
Mampas.
Pushing na sila. Pushing si Punish siya.
Nasaan?
East.
Anong
Kasi
gate?
mo pa-ult sa gitan pa.
Wala, hindi sila nagbubonk. Nasa gate lang sila.
Okay. Pasabi lang.
Sabihan kita pa nagbubonk.
Mostly
Yeah.
brawlers to.
Brawlers tsaka ano to, may mga bombs sila dito. Wala na, umalis na. Sa labas ng gate.
We need
Sige
to
pa na
hold
yan.
until Vera comes. Or else we cannot do anything here.
Nag-mount up sila, naka-mount up sila.
Okay.
Naka-mount up.
Copy.
Second gate.
They're
They're
trying to do
bonking.
this, but they're not bonking.
Pumapasok sila ngayon, bonking na sila. Pumapasok sila, bonking. Tapos may dalawa nagbubonk sa taas.
Sa Diamond,
Meron dito, meron dito.
everyone just come on that.
Courtyard pa lang, courtyard.
Pwede ka tumahan dito.
Balik. Bantayan nyo, men. Pa-live ako. Pa-ayos ako ng ops, pre. Step up SW, 13. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 sa akin, oh. Come back fast.
Dito muna kayo, dan muna sa main door. Tulungan natin.
Southeast gate, 51%.
May wailing bomb yan, di ba?
Yes.
Dito yung wailing sa akin.
Pakita niyo.
Bantayan nyo, waiting.
IGN.
Full
Wait na,
bonking yung
southeast.
isa. Full bonking yung isa.
Saan sila? Courtyard, pre?
On the ping, shield.
Second gate. Full bonking.
Copy. Tara na.
Basag na.
Basag na. They're going to that shop.
Nasa dali sila, choke sila.
Tara.
Nandito si engineer pati niya yung hold.
Lingkuran nyo nga. Teka.
Dito na, pre.
Let's choke.
Follow me. All C na.
All of them, bro.
All C. Stop nyo. CC them. Ready, step up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Commit. Sa akin, big. Nice one, boys. Come back. Good shit. Come back. Vera, come pass. I need two fronts, Vera. Come back, pass. Come back. Pawatch ulit ako ng suicide pa nag-book pa sa atin. Yo, west side, step up, west side.
Sabihan kita.
West side, yo. Sisi them.
Malayo pa party mo, malayo party mo.
Shallow me.
Malayo.
Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow me. Come back.
Basag na yung suicide ha. Basag na yung isa.
Okay, patayin nyo yung isang suicide. Bawal nila makuha yung suicide, pre.
Bonking ulit
Angel,
west bro.
follow.
Okay,
Pato.
Vera, I need you fast, bro. Like, all gates about to break. Sisi nyo to. Look, suicide. Come up. Ito, gala. 5, wait, 4. After cleric. 3, 2, 1, go. Nice one. Come back. Come west.
Basag na yung west.
Tank. Sige. Tank south. Come west.
West now.
Evan.
Gemcy. I'm holding middle.
Panic niya sa likod mo.
Yeah. I'm holding middle and suicide at the same time. Come. Step up. Come back. Come west. Titang sa suicide lang kayo, ha. Kamis. CCDP. Pasisi ako. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dali. Come back. I'm just middle. Tortured middle. West side. Come west na. West. Diamond. Come diamond. Move fast. Titang, huwag yung bibigay suicide, ha. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, huwag yung bibigay yung suicide, eh.
Talang tayo sa gitna, finish it. Para.
Majority ng brawler skills sila wala na.
Party 2 DPS, hold lang kayo sa west, okay?
Bumalik.
Drop lang kayo random E sa west. Party 2 DPS, do you hear me? Drop random E at the west, okay? Holding. Sige, boy. Vera, where are you now? Where are you? Oh, you come west. CC west. CC them fast. CC. Vera, come inside, Vera, come inside. Don't dismount yet. Vera, come inside. Vera, come inside. Vera, come in. North, any.
Ay, dismounted, ha?
Kamis. Asa na?
Nagbabantay pa ba si suicide?
Wala. Copy. Holding. Okay, all of them are west now. Yo, tank! Ready, tank. Pag nag-overextend, isisi nyo agad, ha? Okay, sisi nyo na. Sisi nyo, ready. Deep west, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big. Nice, come back. Pass. Pacheck nga ako east.
May nag-grab ng east.
Miss, everyone east. Wala. Bantayan nyo, ha.
Ito na si Panish, babalik na sa east.
Okay, bantayan nyo lang. Vera, come back. Come east. Sisi nyo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, bagal. Come west. Cancel. West. Holding.
Panish is mounted.
I know, you hold west for me. I hold east, okay? Holding. Isisi nyo nga to si Punish, pre.
May nagbabang sa death choke, ha?
Sige, isisi nyo lang si Punish. Men. Step up, click out. Sisi them. Deep south, after cleric. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Sige, north walk. Sige, hold here.
Patay sila.
Okay, come west. West.
Kado ko malalim dula.
Vera, natuli pa. Vera. May suicide pa ba, men? Wala.
Wala.
Sige.
Nasa suicide ako.
Ilang percent yun? 89, copy.
89.
34 na lang yung west, ha?
Holding. Sige. Let Vera handle west.
I'll pull over the wall, ha?
Oh, they falling back now, Hello. Lead, just
Sino ba
run.
dito? Sa dead choke ka, engineer,
May ratter pala tayong kakampi.
Sino? moral.
Southwest, pre.
Agil, dyan agil.
SCP.
May nagbabong kata. Meron ba? Wala.
Wala.
Wala lang dyan si
Copy.
engineer.
Nasaan sila? Info nga, info. Nasaan sila?
Nasa labas sila, nasa labas sila. Southwest,
Lahat,
sa labas.
lahat? What pera?
Nakadismount na lahat.
Nabi, ikaw na dito, Nabi.
Yeah. Just let them come in, guys. Don't pick na. Huwag kayo mag-pick dyan,
Don't
men.
push, don't push.
Remember ha, they have wailing bow. They have wailing bomb. They have wailing bomb.
Come back.
Anara, balik. They have wheeling bomb. They can hit you around.
They have
Engineer,
thermal.
pabantay yung ano.
Just
Dead
let them in.
Sige, sige.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just let them in.
They're
guys.
mounted on the west side. South side rather. South side, andito lang.
Si Marchand ba? Marchand, dito ka? JMC boy, invade.
Ay, pinch. May umiikot dito sa southeast side.
Fighting na kami, pre.
Panic SE.
Yeah, I see. Just holding. Engineer, ingat ha, grab marker.
Sige.
Baka ng isang
Baka masyadong
starter,
mag-dip, engineer ah.
Oo,
Sige.
huwag kayo mag-dip ah. Basta buhos
Yeah.
balik na agad.
Yo, if you die fucking not behind these walls, gates, you nori unless you fucking scouting for me.
Dead choke, isa pupunta. Okay, malis. Punish.
Okay, huli-huliin nyo na si Decho boy. Huliin.
So may ano sila, southeast side. Mounted,
Copy,
everyone's mounted.
I see.
Moving. Nasa south side, moving southwest. Still mounted. Ayan, naka-live ako, Pinchy, pwede mo tignan saan.
Ay, sige, check ko na lang. Oh,
Ayun na.
we picking them off one by one no? Bobot talaga ng
Ayan, nandito sila ngayon sa southwest side mo.
Okay.
Mounted, still mounted. Dismounted now, moving,
Ah,
pushing.
naghihintay sila ng
Ditang ready, CC. Yung pawas ulit ako ng isip ko
Sige.
Na 2D pa. Yes.
Si engineer lang doon sa isa.
Sige lang. They're still mounted. Chill lang.
Kamount pa yung iba sa kanila.
Be ready hindi bang.
They're moving
Careful on the
southeast, they're moving south.
Guys, remember they have
Some people.
Nandito naman sila. I-punish dito sa isa.
Pupunta ka ano,
Pupunta sa suicide.
Come, everybody, come. Vera,
patay yan,
hold forever. Hold south, wait. Lapat south.
They're full bonking,
North,
Bonking sila,
Come up, suicide, everyone. Come, Vera, hold my south, okay, Vera? Everyone, look, suicide. Giga, everyone, Giga now, Giga. CC them. Look, fight me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now, hit it. Now come middle. Come Nord room. Finish the kill. Come Nord room. Push through Nord room. Holding. Heal inside. Come middle. Don't go stairs. Come middle. Heal middle. Ready. Find me. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now. West side. Nice. Holding. Heal middle. Hold the middle.
Hard chest. You're low.
Heal. Step up, Penny. Look east. Step up.
Fuck, sorry bro.
Look at CC them. Cover clearing. Find me. Wait. North. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Ubos, tang ina. Look west. Ivy, western ground. Ivy, kill him. Come south. Bobo talaga ng invade, tang ina.
Let the battle looter pick, please.
Come south. Everybody.
Battle looter. Don't loot
Follow me.
everyone.
Vera, where are you? Okay. I flanking. Vera, I flank. Ay, never mind. Oh, they wipe
They wipe.
Easy win yan.
Yung mga namatay sa deck choke nang hindi nag-boost at giga, bala kayo dyan.
Bakit kasi nagganon kayo, boys?
Boy, you have defensive ah. Defensive.
Ubus na naman yung invade. Tang ina.
Naging Warzone to, Mr. February.
Boy, healer ako pero nabuhay ako. What the fuck?
Si RG namatay nga.
Oh boys, kinain niya yung
Kinain niya yung engagement.
RG, next time na dadaan ka sa choke, wag kang
We
pipigit
still
na.
have 30 minutes ha. This is their hideout. They will regear, okay?
Si RG ba yun?
Oo, dumaan sa gitna.
RG,
Kinain niya
RG.
lahat.
Ang pinakamagandang position ng healer ka. Dito sa baba lang, ang layo ng range mo. Bilang ano.
Looter,
Ayan.
looters. Listen. If you have loot, trade Kapitan Sino or Boji. Trade Kapitan
Sayang
Sino.
boy. Tagal
Lagi.
ko na low.
Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng
Wala
silence
lang.
ni VJ. Alam mo yung nagbo-brawl sila doon sa choke? Na-silence sila, di
Boji.
sila makapag
Coms na, saglit. Looter. Pag di po ka sa rookie side, Grave Mount Hills, sa rookie side.
Halata yung ginagawa nila eh. Alam mo ba?
Yan, 7 lang. Tanggalan mo yung tatlo.
Kaso di niya pa rin magawa.
Diba, yan.
Pangit ang trip niya. Paikot-ikot.
Mas malakas pa
Magdidipo lang
mag-roll ng solo kaysa sa kanila.